the gangster man them who run the market. Why is the government so tightly tied in with these so-called gangsters? I'm selling, I'm a vendor. Now watch one I think will reach me. Me in the market, me tell the story already on YouTube. I'm just gonna go over it again for the few people who I'm praying me on live stream and on the recording. Me in the market, I organize for do vending in a market, to vend food cooking. And that me I pray for do in a market. And the hardcore man them, the gangster man them, I'm not gonna say it is one other man them, I'm just saying some man that is the hardcore man them in the market. Organize a spot and say, here's a spot for you to do your cooking and selling in the market that you want to do. So I say nice, it's good for these man them to bust me them way, but I want a real bus for sure. Me not sure when a man with them round the market a right up sitting, just a walk to a right up sitting and take up what I want from another somebody and give what I want to another somebody and them man they run the market. Alright, yeah. But me know say government register as people run market. So I went to the municipal corporation for Spanish Town head office. And I go in the office and I see a nice pretty girl. You know them only them people that work in the office. A nice pretty girl sit down behind a nice pretty desk. And I see nice pretty girl behind nice pretty desk here in the municipal corporation office of Spanish Town. I would like to sell in the market. So man in the market bust me and say go and sell in the market. I'm coming to you now as the government to say, can I sell in the market? Everything good with me selling in the market. One relationship me I don't have to deal with to sell in the market. Then take my food and glass permit and that's it. Then take my food and glass permit and hear what them say to me. Hear the key one to this now. Hear what the government man say to me. In regard to your question, can you sell in the market? Go back and ask that to the gangster man them who run the market.
Nyah, me a king of Jamaica, 'cause I am a money maker.